Marjorie as we confirm your marriage. The confirmation of the marriage bond. Okay, faces are there. And hold hands together. I, Philip Pawit Patagwan, as the Bishop of the Soul Winners for Christ Fellowship, Incorporated, by virtue of the powers vested in me as a minister of the gospel, I now pronounce you, Vincent and Marjorie, as Mr. and Mrs. Vincent Aswige Bayawa. Ladies and gentlemen, the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Vincent Bayawa. Palapakan naman. Okay? Ang kapal ng mag-kiss, ha? Okay? Now that you have been joined as one in holy matrimony, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Kung ano pinagtipon ng Diyos, ay huwag paghiwalayin ng tao. No, anya ti pinagtipon ni Apo, kat saan napagsinain ni tao. Okay, this ends wedding ceremony. God bless Vincent, God bless Marjorie. Okay? Vincent, it's time to kiss your bride. Come on. Kiss. Kurang. Bitin dito, ha? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Vincent Bayawa. Palakpakan naman. Bagong kasal. Sir Sam, can you facilitate the picture taking? Okay. Pagpantay the picture taking, di ba Sir Sam will facilitate. Okay?
Okay, sige po. Congratulations to the newly wedded couple. Palakpakan po natin. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Vincent Bayawa. Palakpakan tayo ako. Okay, ngayon po, ang unahin po natin, Bishop, ikaw po ba unang makipag-picture sa mag-asawa? Okay, ayusin po natin no, para isa-isa po. Okay. Sige, kayo po muna, yung mag-asawa po muna. Tutoy lang ako.
Ayaw kita labig ka. Ayaw ko labig ka.
Can you please go? Ayan. Ang susunod po ay ang magulang ng bride. Siyempre. Okay. Ayan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, bigyan na. Ayan, upo muna mga bata. Ayan. Mga flower girls, mamaya upo muna kayo. And of course, yung ating mga bata. Okay, next po will be the parents of the bride. Halina po kayo, parents of the bride. Ang mga magulang po ng ating bride ay ni Ma'am Marjorie. Asan po yung magulang ni Ma'am Marjorie? Sige po. Yan. Magulang po muna. Okay, parents. Sige po, sabay na po muna kayo. Both parents. Sige po. Okay, at bati pa lang ni parents ni bride. Mamaya po ang parents ng husband. Sige po, Apo, at bati pa lang ni parents